Hi there, welcome to the second part of the onboarding for drafters, where I'll walk you through the architectural drawing standards we use at DAVIGNON MARTIN ID STANDARDS. In this video, you'll learn how to follow our technical standards to maintain consistency, clarity, and professional quality across every project. Let's start with the technical setup. For CAD files we will use the plot style HP 430_0.5.ctb. This will provide it at the beginning of the project. The standard sheet size is A3. Depending of the size of the building this could change, but this is the most common one. For most common scales are 1/4 inch equals 1 foot for floor plans, and 1/2 inch equals 1 foot for interior elevations. If you're unsure about any particular drawings not fitting in the layout, always double check with the project designer. Next up we have layers. They're the key to keeping your drawings organized and easy to read. Here we have the main ones. Blue, used for walls, framing, or glazing. Green, used for furniture and plumbing fixtures. Red, used to represent a wall framing or furniture, mostly for elevations. Magenta, for all tags and room names. Cyan, main walls. And lastly gray, for hatches and shading patterns. Keeping these layers consistent helps everyone read and edit the files more efficiently. Next we have legends. These should be placed according to the project layout, typically on the top left corner or below the main floor plan. Then each drawing must include 1. The drawing number, 2. The sheet number, 3. The name of the floor plan or elevation, and 4. The drawing scale. This ensures a clear visual hierarchy throughout the set. This all comes together in one block provided in our standards template. Now let's talk about Programma.app. This is where designers upload all essential project information. You'll find codes there that correspond to what you'll tag in your drawings, such as O, other hardware, PF, plumbing fixtures, MW, millwork, FF, floor finishes, LF, decorative lighting, TF, tile and stone finishes, PT, ceiling and wall finishes, AP, appliances. Make sure to use these exact codes in all your tags across plans and elevations. Each sheet in the set follows the series order, explained in the previous video. Like we said before, ID 000 for title page, project information, address, consultants, and map. ID 001 for general notes and code review, always validated by the architectural team. ID 010 assemblies schedule, materials and systems breakdown. ID 020 door schedule, door types and dimensions. ID 030 interior schedules. These will be exported directly from Programma. Then we have the following page-by-page details. Starting with ID 200 demolition plans. All walls, doors, and windows to be removed should appear as dashed lines. Include a demolition legend, general notes, and structural axes if provided. Then we have ID 210 partition plans, where we show walls and windows with framing, wall niches or details, and bathroom layouts. Always include overall and interior dimensions, door tags, and room legends following the project's tagging standards. For doors, place tags inside door swings, or in front of the middle of the door if they are sliding doors. Wall types, place carefully where it doesn't cover or interfere with dimensions or other tags. Dimensions. First overall, dimensions from wall framing to wall framing. Interior, from exterior wall framing to interior wall framing to interior wall framing. Room legends and other tags, room schedule and its tags following the example order and numbers. That's all for partition. Then we have ID 220 reflected ceiling plans, or RCPs, where we add dimensions between light fixtures, sprinklers, and other ceiling elements. Apply hatches according to ceiling heights or design variations, and include a clear RCP legend with lighting and ceiling finishes. Then there's floor finishes plans. Make sure to show each material or tile pattern according to the design. Use the appropriate floor tags provided in Programma codes, and make sure each finish has a unique hatch pattern. Add overall room dimensions, outside interior, and wall finish arrows if applicable like the image example. In ID 240 we have FF and E plans, or sometimes also called fixtures and appliances, at elevation tags in each room. Use the symbol, arrows inside our CAD standard. Then follow Programma codes, and tag items like millwork, plumbing, appliances, and hardware. Every custom millwork piece designed by the studio should be converted into a block and properly tagged in floor plan. Then we have ID 301 building sections. These are usually needed in building with Severas floors. They should always go through the main stairs. one linear and another lengthwise. Make sure to add structural axis and dims between them. Show wall types, same as the floor plan, floor types provided by designers, and ceiling tags as well. All ceiling, walls and structural framing needs to be shown. Also millwork, doors and windows that are visible in the section. Finally show section symbol with its name and page. Then ID 500 it's for exit plans or fire separation diagrams. Draw the travel path from each point to the nearest exit, and show the distances in millimeters. Use a 45 FRR or a 0 FRR layers for fire-rated walls and floors, and always include separation legends and notes. For the final portion we include ID 800 interior and ID 850 millwork elevations. In these follow the logical order of spaces, entry, kitchen, bedrooms, etc. Add overall dimensions, material notes, and detail bubbles showing the millwork or interior detail number and sheet reference. Before printing, make sure your drawing names are consistent, scales are accurate, and legends are complete. Remember, clarity and organization are what make your drawings communicate effectively. And that's it. By following these steps, your drawings will meet the professional standard of DAVIGNON MARTIN X Alva, showing precision, consistency, and thoughtful design. Thanks for joining us.